Hi, my name is Anthony Vitale, and I'm the CIO of Keypoint Credit Union. It's extremely important for credit unions to have a mobile and digital strategy to be competitive in this marketplace. A strong mobile strategy is one that focuses mostly on the consumer experience, and that means ease of use for your customers. It means providing data in real time, being able to perform transactions in real time. CIOs have to balance security with ease of use. You can control fraud and countermeasures through, not just through the technology, but also through process. So you've just got to think about the user experience as your top priority. We really looked at the payment process to really simplify it for the user. We had the process where you can make a payment, but to figure out, did you even have a payment? Was it due? And then when you finally clicked on it, did we pre-populate the form? The other thing that we looked at was also mobile deposit capture. We automated the optical reader so that it automatically finds the check, sizes it correctly, and then snaps the picture. After our very first release, we increased adoption significantly. We went from about 38% of our members using our mobile banking app to about 45%. And that was just within 2 months of launching our app. Initially, we had a 1.5-star rating in terms of customer satisfaction across our app store for Google Play and for Apple. We now have a 5-star rating for our new version. Most off-the-shelf mobile applications are woefully lacking in integration capabilities, whether it's for ordering checks, it's for delivering e-statements, it's for integrating with your card vendor, your mortgage vendor. There's all kinds of different platforms you have to pull together. The second biggest area, which is surprising, is that they lack in marketing capabilities. So if you want to do one-to-one marketing, you want to do screen overlays, you want to create interstitial pages, you want to look at some of the metrics behind user behavior so you can figure out what type of products they would be best suited to be marketed for. A lot of these third-party apps are seriously lacking in that area. There's three main lessons I would say learned in this journey to mobile excellence. The first one is never underestimate the integration effort. I think that's really key. The ability to integrate with your vendors in real time. A lot of times it could be an issue with, from a contract perspective. It's not just a technical perspective. There's a lot of effort, due diligence that needs to go in ahead of time to be able to do that integration. The second thing I would say is don't overestimate the support you're going to get from your vendor. Don't think that they're going to help ensure that you're going to have a strong, effective go live. Finally, I would say making sure that you have the right team. You've got to make sure you've got people that understand the user experience, for one. Project management is also really critical. There's a lot of different moving parts, and so you need to make sure you've got somebody who's very organized and can keep everybody on task. Agile Fusion has been one of our strongest partner relationships. They not only bring the technical depth necessary to do a mobile app, which is substantial because you've got a lot of different mobile devices out there, a lot of different types of software, different versions out there. They have the technical depth to overcome all of those challenges that can bring. They also bring strong expertise when it comes to the user experience, bringing together wireframes and collaborating with us in a way that we can work with them to figure out what the right user experience is that represents our brand. Finally, I would say that they've been extremely reliable in terms of working with us on meeting deliverable dates and working with our different vendors and all the challenges that brings.